Hi, this is Lalita. We'll go to the next sum. 3 bells toll at intervals of 9, 12 and 15 minutes. If they start toll together, after what time will they next toll together? 3 bells. First bell tolling 9 minutes. Second bell it at 12 minutes after. Third bell tolls at 15 minutes after. These are 3 bells at together. At what time they toll together is this question. How can you finish this one? Together, all at once, smallest, least. These are all the terms you have to go to LCM of the given numbers. Okay, 3 traffic signals are there. In one of the area, after 10 minutes, green signal will come. In other area, after 15 minutes, green signal will come. Then both the signals at green signal at what time we will get it? Then that time we have to go for LCM. So here also LCM of 9, 12, 15. Which table has these 3 numbers? It's 3 table. How many times? 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Again here 4 is composite number. 2 table have that one. 2 table doesn't has 3 as it is. How many times of 2 you will get? Yeah, 2 times of 2 you will get it's 4. 5 you had to write as it is. So you got all prime numbers. No, LCM is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 10, 180. After 180 minutes, yeah, these 3 bells toll together. If you want to convert it in hours means you have to divide with 60 minutes. Then you will get in hours. Okay, come to this question. I want the values of x, y, z. See, it's factor tree. Even in lower classes you learn factor trees. Same like that here also. It's prime factorization. 11 is multiplied to which number? You will get answer as 253. Do you have any idea? How can you find? How many times of 11? 11 you will get answer as 253. Have to go for division. 11 2s are 22. Okay, 3 is reminder. 3 after 3, 33. 11 3s are 33. So, 11 23s you will get 253. So, we got the value of Z. If you want, you have to go for division. 253 divided by 11. How much will you get? That is the value of Z. Did you understand? The next one is 253 is multiplied to which number? You will get 2783. What can you do? Here also you have to go to same division for find the value of y. Y is equal to 2783 by 253. By seeing here the unit digit is 3. Here also unit digit is 3. I hope 3 ones are 3. So maybe you have to think like that. 253 ones are 253 only. So maybe 253 11s are. Will you get this answer? Check it. 253 11s are. Check. Yeah. 253 11s are. 11 3s are 33. 33. 3 as a carrying number. 11 5s are 55, 55 plus 3, 58, 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 5, 27. Yes, it's correct. So, 11 times without doing with all the numbers, little logic. Yeah, here unit digit is 3, here also unit digit is 3. So, we have to multiply with 3 ones are 3. So, maybe it's 1. Maybe it's 11, maybe it's 21. Why? Because we want answer as 3 at units place. So you have to think, little logically you can think, you will get the answer. So here the answer, how many times? 6, 11. So y value you got, it is 11. Okay, y value you got. Here already he given directly 5 into 2783. How can you find the value of x? Directly multiplication. X is equal to 5 into 2783. Multiply these two numbers. 5 3s are 15. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 1, 41. 41. Next 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. So these all are carrying numbers. After your calculation, better to write it. Okay, do that all the works in margin. Did you understand? These are what are the sums explained by me. These all are they already given in previous board papers. So keep in your mind and practice it. Don't take it light. Clear? Okay, we will see the next sum. It is related to first chapter. First chapter means real numbers. In real numbers, proofs of irrationals, very important. And still rationals, irrationals, relation between LCMs and HCFs. These all the things also so important. Next one, if n is a natural number, if n is a natural number, then 2 into 5 power n plus 6 power n always end with, always end with. As a plan they given this one. Can you guess? Yeah, here he given one condition, and is a natural number. And is a natural number. So you have to take n values starts from 1. Why? Because he said n is a natural number. So I am taking here, if n is equal to 1, n place I am substituting it's 1. 5 power 1 plus 6 power 1. 2 into 5 plus 6. How much? 2 into 11, 22. Okay, n place I am substituting 2. 2 into 5 power n place I am substituting 2. I hope you are clear. Why I am substituting n places? Why? Because he given n is natural. N is a natural number. So n place you have to take the numbers from 1. From 1. At least you have to take it 2 or 3 examples for concluding one solution. Okay, n place I am substituting it's 2. 5 square plus 6 square. 5 square means how much? 25. 6 square means how much? 36. 2 into, by adding these two, 5 plus 6, 11. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. 2 into 61, 122. Yeah, see here, always end with. That means you want the unit digit. He want the unit digit. By checking the two examples, I hope you are clear. And with the digit 2. And with the digit is 2. Clear? N is a natural number, he said. So we are taking as example n is equal 1, n is equal 2. If you want, still we will take some more examples. N is equal 3, n is equal 5, n is equal 10. Some 2 or 3 natural numbers you will take and observe it. At the end with what digit is his question. Okay, here by checking these two examples we got the answer. That is end with the digit 2. Okay, I hope you are clear. The next question is ratio of he want HCF and LCM of least composite number and least prime number. Okay, LCM of what are the least composite number? Least composite number. What is least prime number? Yeah, prime number. What do you mean by prime number? No common factors except 1 and itself. Yeah, so what is the least prime number? 2 is the least prime number, already you know. What is the least composite number? More than 2 factors. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Next number is 4. 4 has more than 2 factors. So, least composite number is 4. Is this question ratio of these two numbers? No. First you have to find LCM of these two numbers. Next you have to find HCF of these two numbers. Then you have to find the ratio of LCM of the numbers and HCF of numbers. So first find LCM of 2, 4. Yeah, 2, 4. 2, 1, 2. So LCM is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. HCF of 2, 4. Small number, take it as divisor. 2 2s are 4. The divisor is known as. So HCF is 2, LCM is 4. Is it required we have to find the prime factorization and division method? Not required for this question. Why can't we? Why? Because when 2 and 4, 4 is a multiple of 2. When greater number is a multiple of small number, directly we can write LCM as greater number, HCF as the smallest number. Did you understand? Here 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 table have that 4. So directly we can write LCM, the greater number is LCM. HCF, the smaller number is HCF. So directly we can take without going to the prime factorization and division method. Okay, what is his question? He want ratio. Ratio of what? HCF of these two numbers, LCM of these two numbers. So HCF is to LCM. What is HCF? 2. What is LCM? 4. 2 is to 4. Ratio is nothing but division. Yeah, do you have any chance for cancellation? I have to cancel it. 2 table has 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So, answer is 1 is to 2. Did you understand? Answer is 1 is to 2. Okay, I hope you are clear from previous board. Some important questions always I am explaining here. Some questions I will give as homework in description. If you want, you will follow that one. That questions also very important. Is it clear? Still, do you have any doubts or anything you want to ask to me? Comment to me. I will respond. Thank you.